The camera set up and I'm back with another video. Today though is like I'm not on my camera because I left my camera in an Uber driver's car, but I'm getting it back tomorrow, so no worries. I'm gonna be still making content while I'm at the beach, and even if I didn't have my camera, I'd still be able to use my iPhone because I just figured out a good trick for like quality and like better sound. Just basically just flip the camera instead of it facing you, you face the other way, and bam, it looks way better with the rear camera. But enough discussion about me leaving my camera in other people's cars. Today I'm gonna be moving and I'm gonna be showing you guys like I'm setting up my new room in this video, and I'm like going to be setting up just everything, all my new stuff, and you know it's going to be a really fun vlog, and I'm happy to do this. And then I'll do like a full HYPEBEAST room tour video. I'm just going to introduce you all to my room and then show you where I may place things in this video. So I hope you guys will enjoy it, and yeah, if you're new, subscribe, drop 5,000 likes on this video. That's unrealistic, and let's get started. Also, I've been getting a ton of questions about my skating. Am I still doing it? I am. So I'm just going to show you all this epic slow-mo thing. Compilation. By the way, if you've not already seen the video where we found this crazy off-white like jacket for a crazy steal at Neiman Marcus, if you've not seen it, it's a jacket right here. It's in my last video. If you have not seen that, go check it out. There'll be a link in the description. And even if you've already seen it, go watch it again, you know, just... Time to go mess with my brother. Hallway.
Here, you wanna watch? Okay.
How many floors?
2 floors.
2 floors.
What are you doing? No. Buddies.
So we are in the new house. This is crazy. It's just whole moving experience, everything. And I'm about to just bring everything in here and show y'all how I'm gonna move. And of course, my brother, this is even better. He's straight across from me. I'm rubbing stuff on my teeth. No, you're straight across from me. So when he's not really awake in the middle of the night, I'm just gonna come here.
I'm gonna wake you up.
I'm gonna come here, and in the middle of the night, I'm gonna wake you up.
No,
I'll wake you up first.
I'm blaring loud ear rapes near you.
I'll do it first.
No,
watch me. Yeah. No, I'm gonna give you all a big, quick tour. So here's the bathroom. This is me and my brother's bathroom. So my brother's right here, and then there's the toilet. Of course, y'all need to know that. What are you doing?
Shoot, ready?
Oh, all right. So just finished moving everything, but here's what I got so far. So we got the mat right here. And some things need to unpack, so we got this suitcase and this basket. But the part I want to show you all the most of my closet. So right now I got the sled on top, and I'm planning to put like some accessories right here maybe. I'm not sure, but then we got like the hoodies lined up here. As you can see, like we got lined up across. And I plan to put like more going all the way across, put some shoe boxes up there. And I may actually do a time lapse of that right now. So we're just gonna get into that. I'm really excited to be moving into a new house and then show you all this whole process, which is the point of this video, off my iPhone since I left my camera in an Uber. So let's get started. I actually only have a couple minutes to like unpack some stuff or just like something. I'll just show you all. And that's all I'm gonna do for day 1 of this moving. That's why I haven't been really putting out too much content lately, because again, I've just been busy with moving. But here's what I got so far. We got all the sneakers up here. KD's, Maroon 5s, bleach, terrible NMDs. These are so bad, I can't even wear them. Jordan 1 lasers, New Balances, the Kanye Vans. I'm Kanye now. Cringe. And then we also got the Air Force Ones, which this is my favorite sneaker of all time, as you guys know. But then we also got up here, we got the Rap Stones bags, Supreme TNF headband, and then we also got the Palace bag right here, this $12 bag, and then we also got the Supreme sled. And then again, some bags on the floor, and then we got the Supreme, some of it right here, as most of it is packed for my vacation, which I'm about to go on. So yes, I have a pretty hectic week. Good type of hectic though, like a lot of things. I also got the off-white thing right here. Just thought this would be a nice touch, especially if we get more off-white, then we just sort of stack them up right there. But that's my room right now. I'm super excited to be moving. Really good week for me as of right now, and you know, I'm just excited to be moving to this new house. I'm right next to my brother, so we may have a prank coming soon, something funny. I don't know. I don't really do pranks on this channel, but it could be something funny, like a surprise. And we also got the Supreme mat right here, which I'm gonna set up maybe in here, like along behind these. But that's of course for the room tour, which I'm gonna do. But this is sort of like a sneak peek, I guess. So sneak peek to my room on behalf. We got some bags here, but that's all for part 2. And we got accessories. But again, part 2. So Todd, what are you gonna put in your room?
I'm gonna take our Supreme stuff and eat them.
You gonna take my Supreme stuff?
I'll wear them.
All right. Here's the jacket I was talking about, by the way, that I need to hang up. I love this jacket. It was in my blog yesterday if you want to go check that out. 2 days ago when this comes out. But, you know, we got a new Adidas tee. This is super dope. And, you know, Supreme DNA. We got a bunch of other tees that would go up in the room, or the closet is what I meant to say. But I hope you all did enjoy this short video. Again, I'm super busy with, like, moving and everything. So, like, videos aren't my main priority right now. Obviously, it's getting everything settled. And I just want to show you all a little sneak peek of the room tour. Of course, tomorrow I may be filming a room tour. Of course, got to get my camera back from the Uber driver. Shout out to him, of course. You know, they got to take the time out of their days for my mistake. Even though, you know, they text me and say, no, yeah, you know, it happens all the time. Shouldn't have made that mistake, so I'm no longer putting my stuff in the trunk. I'm going to be carrying everything with me, no matter how much stuff it is, so I don't forget it, especially if I were to forget it on a trip, that'd be worse. But I just want to say thank you all for watching. Of course, you're new, subscribe. Not the best vlog, of course, because this is an iPhone vlog, but I promise I do much better quality content when I have my actual camera, which I'm getting tomorrow. I'm going to film the room tour. Everything's going to be set. And I just want to say thank you all for watching. Of course, like the video as well if you enjoyed this decent iPhone vlog. Again, I'm not going to make the best quality content off this. I just want to thank you all for watching. Of course,